In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Whether you're just starting out with photo editing or looking to upgrade your existing software setup, Adobe Lightroom offers powerful features and a user-friendly interface that's perfect for all your photography needs. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with downloading and installing this fantastic tool. First, you'll need to visit Adobe's official website. Make sure you're heading to the download section that corresponds to the version of Lightroom you want to install. This ensures you're getting the correct software for your device, providing the best performance and compatibility. Once you're on Adobe's site, you'll need to sign in using your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can easily create an Adobe account by following the on-screen prompts. Signing in is a crucial step as it links your software to your personal Adobe account, allowing you to manage your subscriptions and access any Adobe services tied to your account. After you've successfully signed in, you'll see the option to either download or install Lightroom or Lightroom Classic. Select whichever version suits your needs. Download refers to the process of copying the necessary files from Adobe's servers to your local computer, while install prepares these files so you can run Lightroom on your machine. Lightroom Classic tends to be favored by professional photographers due to its robust set of features tailored for managing large photo libraries, while Lightroom is more cloud-based and offers simpler, streamlined functionality. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer, which may be found in your Downloads folder. By running this installer, you initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts carefully. These will guide you through accepting the software license agreement and choosing the installation location on your computer. It's worth spending a moment deciding where you want to save Lightroom, especially if you're managing your storage space. With the installation phase complete, you're almost ready to start editing. Launch the Lightroom application, and if prompted, sign in again with your Adobe ID. This ensures all aspects of the software are fully activated, allowing access to all features. And there you have it, a smooth, step-by-step walkthrough for bringing Adobe Lightroom onto your computer. By following these steps, you'll have set yourself up to explore and enhance your photography through one of the industry's leading editing tools. Be sure to check out any additional resources on Adobe's site to help you make the most of your new software. Enjoy capturing and cultivating your creative visions with Adobe Lightroom.